Hi, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I want to show you how to add product specifications on your OpenCart store. So this is very important, especially if you are selling technical products or maybe any other product that the customer might want to know the specifications before they can purchase. So for me to illustrate this, I've selected this product. It actually comes by default when you install OpenCart. So I want to show you how you can add similar kind of specifications so that your customers can actually view them. So to do that, OpenCart comes with an inbuilt attributes functionality where you can add the attributes and then a list of attributes and then later add them on your product. So first thing you'll need to take care is the attribute groups. So for these attribute groups, maybe we can, given that you're dealing with a camera, I'll just add camera as the name, okay? So as the attribute, so the main function of the attribute group is just grouping specifications of each like of a certain type of product. So in this case the camera, and then we can now add our specification attribute like here. Let me just select the megapixels. So the megapixels, and then it's under a camera. We also want the total pixels. Total pixels, okay. Total pixels. Oh, it actually copied almost everything. So copy that, control that, camera. So you can add as many as you want, okay, depending with your use case. Then go back, add another one. That the group is that, okay. So with this sort order, you can actually like provide so that you show them in a specific order. Now, once you've added them like this, you just need to go back to your product and then under the attribute section, click the add attribute. So the first one that you want to add is the megapixels, which is 12.8. So I'll just search megapixels. So that's the value. And then the total pixels is 13.3. So 13.3 as the total pixels, like that, okay? So you can add as many as you have depending with the product, and then save. Once you've done that, now go back to the home page and let's check. So I'll click on the product, and you can see the product specifications, and you can see the group, that's the attribute group, and then the attribute and the value, okay? So that is how you add product specifications on your OpenCart. In case of any questions, you can definitely reach out via email or via the comment sections. See you in the next video.